Hello everyone, this is Carl's Food Review. This is a series that you may have seen based off of Review Bra or Report of the Week, where I try a bunch of new food, or not really new. This one, I should have wore a tie for this. This is the best thing I found. This is the best I found. Like as you can see, I have a Band-Aid on my thumb, but let that not distract us. Let me just rip it off here. It's not gonna want to come off. You know what? We're just gonna get on with the review. I'll try not to show my thumb too much. Right now we have an item from our loyal friends over at Burger King. Last time we tried the Double Decker Taco Bell, a very mature name for its loyalty, as I like to say. Obviously, the Double Decker didn't double deck all that well, but alas, it was an okay taco. Check that out. Might have surpassed expectations. This one right now, we are trying out from Burger King. It's called the... Let me just get it out real quick. Alright, here it is. We have here the crispy chicken sandwich, or not the crispy chicken sandwich. If you like, check out the chicken sandwich review I did on Burger King. But this one, we're back with the chicken sandwiches. This is the honey mustard chicken sandwich from Burger King. As you can see, here's the wrapping. They mark it down as crispy or spicy, so I guess what I'll have to expect is, pardon my French, crappy. But we'll see. I mean, they have here an assortment of ingredients. So, by the way, I was kidding about that crap joke I made there. I am so sorry. There's here, it says little boxes. DT, or does that say D? Yeah, no, this is DT and PC. The camera makes this all reverse, so it looks weird. PC right here, and DT. PC. Oh, sorry, that says FC, not PC. Let's just eat the sandwich. So unwrapping it, the honey mustard chicken sandwich. I can see it says Chicken Junior on here, with a bunch of more ingredients, including spicy sauce. So that shall seem interesting. Let's see what we have. I can already see the honey mustard on the wrapper. Also, from your angle, it looks very messy. What she said. But from my angle, it looks fairly alright. I mean, if I center the bun, I'm sure it'll be better. But, I mean, you know. Alright, let's just, as Review Brown says, debun it. Yeah, I can see the honey mustard and the lettuce. More lettuce. Tomatoes and chicken on top of a bun. I don't know, I'm a little torn. This looks like school cafeteria food. I mean, let's just pick up the sandwich, see how it looks from my screen. I already got, so that's why I got some napkins. You know, but it looks okay. All right. Here we go. So, I mean, sorry for my Band-Aid. It looks okay from your, you know, there's, it kind of falls apart and goes flat down towards here, and then it picks itself back up and, you know, oh my god. Sorry, ladies and gentlemen. I'm so sorry. Let me check in the bag real quick. Alright. Oh. Alright. So, I think we can deduct something here. It looks messy, but you can't always judge a book by its cover. The one I got was fairly, what's the word? Subpar, aside from the looks, but the taste may be different. The honey mustard, you can definitely see the honey mustard. They went kind of overload with it. The honey mustard chicken sandwich from Burger King going in. There it is. I mean, it looks fairly okay, I guess. Peter's screaming down there. I think that was the downstairs neighbors. Those are the downstairs neighbors downstairs, but ignore that for now. Try one more bite, maybe a few more. One more bite before I can confirm. Boy, this is interesting. Aside from the non-professionalism, whatever, the tie and my hair is a little run down. I guess I could try to fix it, but I mean, there's a little piece of chicken here that kind of, oh, that's the bacon. Sorry, this has bacon in it. I forgot about that. I think this has bacon in it. Yeah. Okay. Now, I did debun it. I had to use a napkin a lot. Because it's the honey mustard, but, oh, sorry for that voice crack. That honey mustard, but look at this. And this is kind of sad. Can you guys see that? More than half of the sandwich is a honey mustard, which is covered over by the chicken. That's fine, but I think that this half of the bottom bun was honey mustard, not the chicken. And boy, I go, where's my chicken? And there weren't a lot of tomatoes in it, which kind of didn't balance it a lot. There was a lot of lettuce. If I had to rank this in order of which came up the least, I would go honey mustard, lettuce, tomato, and the sad part, the chicken, which is supposed to be the main dish. I don't know, I mean, you guys can try this out on your own and see what you think of it, but me, I didn't really get so much of a good one. I guess I'll take one more bite to confirm that the chicken is actually, you know, more than less than half of the sandwich. Over time, sorry. Oh, there. Over time it gets sticky, and that is fairly, I mean, some people like getting sticky. That's why they syrup with their pancakes. I mean, I like syrup with my pancakes and waffles too, but a honey mustard chicken sandwich. Well, what can we, see from that name? Deduct, whatever. Honey mustard, a lot of honey mustard. That's the thing that comes first. You don't say the chicken honey mustard sandwich. Pretty weird. And then the chicken, it's more sandwich than anything. I mean, if I had to get the bread in the rating, I guess that would come first. But if we're going what's between the bread, then that would be the fair rating here. The price for this was around $6.35. That's what I got for mine. I mean, yours could be anywhere from $5 to maybe even $8 or $7.50. But with that, I'm going to end this here. I think I can conclude from the sandwich. I'm going to be giving the honey mustard chicken sandwich a 6 out of 10. I was almost going to give it a 5.5 out of 10. Then I overlooked the messy details and decided to give it a 6 instead. Well, that is it for Carl's food review. I'll eat this after the food review, after my time that I've shared. Well, that is it for this food review. I will see you in the next one.